everyone, welcome back to Gruda Hair Viet Nam's YouTube channel. Today we will introduce some simple tips to take care of your wig at home. Let's get started. There are several reasons why the wig gets tangled. If you brush your hair too hard or do not divide it into small sections before brushing, the wig will get tangled more. Dry weather, hot sun or humid environments can also cause wig to get tangled, especially when the wig is in direct contact with water. Using unsuitable hair care products, improper wig storage can also cause hair to deteriorate quickly. Some simple tips to help you care for your wig at home. Step 1. Prepare tools to untangle your wig. Special comb. Detangling combs usually have wide and thick teeth, designed to be softer than regular combs, which will help comb your hair faster. Detangling spray. Hairspray contains softening ingredients such as almond oil, coconut oil, wheat protein, vitamin E to help soften hair. Step 2. Divide your hair into small sections. You can use your fingers to gently divide the wig into smaller sections. Use the fingers to carefully separate each layer of hair, starting from the bottom of the wig. Step 3. Use hairspray. When using hairspray, spray lightly and evenly on the wig from the roots to the ends, and wait a moment for the braid to absorb into the hair. Make sure you use hair care products that are suitable for the wig type to achieve the best result during the detangling process. Step 4. Proceed to brush your hair. After using hairspray to soften the wig, use the specialized detangling comb to brush slowly and carefully. Focus on brushing one section of hair at a time and focus on small tangles. If you get stuck, stop and gently use the fingers to untangle before continuing to brush. If you're having problems with a wig and need professional support, please contact Gruda Hair Viet Nam Factory. We have experience and knowledge of wig products ready to help you solve problems related to care wig and maintenance. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.